Welcome to the Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to change your default project. To switch between projects, click the Switch Project button and select your new project. Simple as that. Let's say you like this new project so much that you want to make it your default. Head on over to Profile and Account. There's all my personal information. Select Projects. And under the drop-down menu for Default Project, select your new default project. Click Save. Now to make sure that this has worked, sign out and sign back in. And there you are, in your new default project. To change back, go through the same process. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.